Hey, to perform the factory reset of your Huawei FreeBuds 5, first of all, you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case and then open it. And right now we have to click and hold this button. It's located on the right side of your case, right here. So click and hold it and wait until this indicator starts blinking red. And this time it will be great if you subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow it. And as you can see right now, it is blinking. So after this free red blinks, it stops blinking and then turns white. So it means that we performed the hard reset, and now they are in the pairing mode. As you can see, I'm not connected anymore, and we can simply get rid of this previously connection, go to the pair new device, and here we can find our FreeBuds 5 on the list one more time. And that's all for this video. Again, please subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.